Welcome to the top best. The best Stair Lights is probably one of the most underrated yet transformative smart home additions you can make, instantly enhancing safety, convenience, and ambience in your home by illuminating dark staircases precisely when and where you need it, preventing trips and falls while adding a touch of modern elegance to your living space without the need for constant manual operation. Number 5. LANDGOO Wooden Motion Sensor Night Light. Crafted from natural logs, each piece boasts a unique grain, ensuring no two are exactly alike. Its handmade quality adds a touch of elegance to any room. These lights feature intelligent motion sensing, illuminating your path when you need it most. They provide convenient, hands-free lighting for your home. Enjoy the freedom of a wireless design, powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Simply charge them up and place them anywhere without cords. With a magnetic body, they easily attach to any metallic surface or their included mount. Their portable design allows you to move them wherever light is needed. Much more stylish than plastic alternatives, they enhance your decor while offering superior heat dissipation. This ensures both beauty and longevity. Ideal for hallways, bedrooms, or as a decorative torch, they provide soft, ambient illumination. They transform any dark corner into a welcoming space. What we like. This light stands out with its elegant wooden design, offering a unique natural grain. It provides better heat dissipation, making it both stylish and durable. If you appreciate natural aesthetics and desire a sophisticated touch for your home decor, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Number 4. Brilliant Evolution Wireless LED Stair Lights Motion Sensor 3-Pack. Experience brilliant illumination for your indoor spaces. These lights provide a warm 3000K white glow, perfect for safely lighting stairs, hallways, and closets. They automatically activate when motion is detected within 10 feet. After 30 seconds of no movement, they turn off, conserving battery life efficiently. Installation is incredibly simple. You can mount them in seconds using either the included screws or the heavy-duty adhesive tape. Operating on 3 AA batteries, these are truly wireless. This allows for flexible placement anywhere you need extra light, without any wiring hassle. The LED bulbs ensure consistent brightness for an extended period. They are designed to last 4 times longer than other similar lights, providing reliable illumination. What we like. This 3-pack offers bright 35-lumen illumination, perfect for clearly lighting your stairs. Its easy stick-on installation means you can set it up in seconds without any wiring. If you're looking for a straightforward, bright, and hassle-free lighting solution for general stair safety, these are an excellent option. What people say. Number 3. KMG 3233 Intelligent Motion LED Stair Lighting Kit. Experience effortless illumination as it lights up your path in sequence when you approach. Then, watch it gracefully dim step by step as you depart, creating a truly elegant and smooth lighting effect. Tailor its performance to your exact needs with adjustable step count, brightness, speed, and delay times. You can easily switch between automated motion-triggered lighting or a continuous stay-on mode for constant illumination. Equipped with 320 high-density COB LEDs, it provides ultra-bright and perfectly uniform lighting. This ensures no visible spots, significantly enhancing both ambience and visibility on your stairs. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to its strong adhesive backing and flexible design. It's also easily trimmable, allowing you to achieve a perfect fit for various stair tread widths. This system not only improves visibility and reduces the risk of falls with its soft, ambient glow. It also adds a sleek, modern, and stylish touch to any staircase, blending safety with sophisticated design. What we like. This kit provides a truly intelligent lighting experience with sequential motion activation, creating a stunning effect. You can fully customize settings like step count, brightness, and speed to match your exact preferences. If you desire a high-tech, personalized, and visually impressive lighting system that adds a modern touch to your staircase, this is designed for you. What people say. Number 2. Brilliant Evolution Wireless LED Stair Lights with Motion Sensor. Experience brilliant lighting with a warm 3000K white glow. These lights provide 35 lumens, perfect for safely illuminating your indoor stairs, hallways, and more. They activate automatically when motion is detected within 10 feet. To conserve battery, they turn off after 30 seconds of no movement, adding convenience to your life. Installation is incredibly simple, taking only seconds. You can mount them quickly and conveniently using either the included screws or heavy-duty adhesive tape. Enjoy true wireless convenience as they operate on 3 AA batteries. This means no complicated wiring, allowing you to place them anywhere you need extra light. Their LED bulbs provide consistent brightness for an extended period. Designed to last 4 times longer than other similar lights, they ensure reliable illumination night after night. What we like. This pack offers exceptional battery life, designed to last 4 times longer than many alternatives. Its completely wireless, battery-powered design allows for placement anywhere without electrical constraints. If you prioritize long-term, low-maintenance operation and ultimate placement flexibility without needing to frequently change batteries, this is a top contender. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 1. INNOFOX 6-pack stick-on motion sensor lights. Discover the perfect lighting solution for your home. These lights provide a comforting warm white glow, guiding you safely through the night. Experience effortless illumination. When darkness falls, their intelligent motion sensors activate, lighting your way automatically upon detecting movement. They stay on just long enough, then turn off by themselves. With a 120-degree detection angle and a 10-foot range, these lights ensure you're always seen. They respond instantly, providing light for 20 to 25 seconds before automatically switching off if no further motion is detected. Enjoy peace of mind with their energy-efficient design. Powered by just 3 AAA batteries, they can provide soft illumination for up to a year, thanks to high-efficiency energy-saving technology. Forget complicated wiring. Installation is a breeze. Simply use the included adhesive pads or screws to place them wherever you need light, from stairs to closets. These versatile lights are perfect for various spaces. Use them in your kitchen, hallway, bedroom, bathroom, or even the basement stairs for added safety and convenience. What we like. This generous 6-pack provides excellent value, ensuring you have ample lighting from multiple areas. It's highly energy efficient, offering soft illumination for up to a year on just 3 AAA batteries. If you need to light several areas with a cost-effective, long-lasting, and easy-to-install solution, this multi-pack is a smart choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.